The market is taking an absolute dump right now. Everything's fallen in price. Should you be selling? Should you be selling out? Is the market done? I want to talk about this, show you what I see. If it sounds interesting, drop the like, give me a subscribe. See, this is good research into the market. I've got here the total 3 market cap, which is all of the money, excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum. We're only looking at all of your favorite altcoins, all the memes that you like to play with, all of the high risk stuff, all of your AI cryptos. This is all here, right? All of the money. And for the last month, I've been showing you that we look like we're in some form of a bull flag. And I want to explain to people what this bull flag is, explain why I think it's a good thing. And again, I've been telling you, especially like patrons, that I'm expecting a rollover. I'm expecting it to come right down to test the top white line of this bull flag before we can go off and away we go, right? So what is a bull flag? Well, the standard textbook of a bull flag is you see a massive shoot up in price, which creates the pole, and then you see price action bounce up and down in a parallel, sort of like a parallel zone, which creates the flags, right? The top of the flag and the bottom of the flag. And then what happens is price breaks out and then it rolls over to come back down and test the top line of this flag. You can see it here as an example. Comes out, rolls over, comes down, tests it, and then bounces off and away it goes. So if I show you what we're looking at here, you've got the bull flag, which is the green pole all the way up. You see price action bounce in between the 2 lines. It breaks out and then it rolls over, comes down and tests it one more time before off and away it goes. And you can see how it looks very similar to this image here. We should be somewhere here right now when it comes to the bull flag, if it plays out, right? I've got other examples of a bull flag. If I can I zoom in? Does it let me zoom in? It's not letting me zoom in, but here we go. So you can see, look, we've got the pole up, we've got price action bouncing, we break up, and then we see red candles come down. Actually, it didn't come so far down to test the actual full flag, but it did come down and then off and away it goes. What's this one here? You get this on Binance, look. So trading, look, bull flag, we break up, we see a red candle come down, it back tests and tests the top of this flag. Even the next green candle, you can see there was a wick, which means price action had fallen down, and then off and away it goes. So I'm not worried, because when I look at this, it looks like it's playing out to perfection. You have to expect these things if you're looking at it in the way I'm looking at it, through it being a bull flag. So my target is still up here, still somewhere right up here, and I think that we will see it in the future. And I think when it gets there, there's going to be a lot of people excited, a lot of people euphoric, a lot of people thinking that we're going higher and higher and higher. We could still go higher. There's my amber zone right here, which is telling me I'm getting the F out. That's it. Market's so damn excited. Everybody's buying. Your mum, your sister, everyone's buying, whoever it is, your dad. And that's the time where I'm going to say, you know what, it's time to get out, because we've seen so much euphoria. Right, if it can get up to this, or the amber zone, I believe the blue zone will definitely come, but that amber zone is the max euphoria. If we peak to the top of it, damn, you're going to see the most insane money you've had, like you've never seen before. But the question is, will you take it when that time comes? If you want to know when we're there, like and subscribe. I will keep you up to date with this chart right here. You will see clearly. The people that watch this channel will see clearly where we are, and when it gets up here, you'll know when to be taking something off the table, right? Let's take a look at Bitcoin's price. It's doing everything that I think it should be doing. This is the free, actually, let's skip to this one. I got a 3-day time frame, and I got this one here. So this is the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. See here, it says 1 week time frame. I got the EMAs up, the exponential moving averages. And I've been saying to you, I expect Bitcoin to come down. I believe that it was going to come down to this green line, which means there's still a bit of a gap for it to really fall down. But this green line is moving up slowly. So we're going to see something like this. It's moving up slowly, which means when it finally does come down to it, maybe it doesn't fall down to like 94,000 or 95,000. It might fall to like 96,000 or something like that. But we will see over time what it does, right? But I do still think that we could come down here, be healthy, and then off and away we go. Same like what I told you before, there's always like a test back. So in this case, I'm saying the same thing all the time, right? But it's because it hasn't played out yet. So I just want to keep reminding people that, yeah, your money's falling, but that's because it's meant to play out this way according to the charts. We see Price has come down to this orange line, which is the 50-week moving average, a very popular moving average, right? We bounce off it, and as we bounce up, we see a pullback down onto this green line, and then we go. And here's another example. So we've come up from this 50-week moving average, which is the orange line. We came above the green. We come and test the green, just like what we did here. Come back down to test the green. We could even see a little wick underneath, but the body candles should remain above the green, and then off and away it goes. And that's what I'm looking for here. So we'll see if that happens. I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop the like, give me subscribe. Do not miss out, right? Do not get confused or lost in this space. You're going to see a lot of different people sharing a lot of different things. I think this one is the most accurate right now, and I think that we can still see money come down in altcoins. You can decide what you want to do. Would it be a buy of a lifetime? Would you just not buy anything, or would you just sell it? You tell me what you're going to do in the comments. But I know what I'm doing. I'm going to wait for that, and I'm going to wait for the massive pump, and then, yeah, serious money will be made. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.